Hope everybody's doing well. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video on my channel. This is going to be a Christmas gift for a family member. I really thought this thing was going to be bigger than this. This thing is so small. My God. Anyways, we're going to be looking at the Tecsun PL380. PLL DSP digital signal processing world band, and this one's in silver, but padded in easy tuning mode, ETM for easy listening. Okay, I guess I need to get out a couple AA rechargeable batteries and get this thing out of the box and progress from there. Okay, went into AM broadcast mode, and then I hit the ETM button, just pushed and held that for a few seconds. I went through the channels, and then when I rotate the tuning knob, it collects what I got. Some of them, I don't see anything there. It's just a bunch of static white noise. Let's try another band. Let's go to, feels so damn weird. It feels like I'm going to break the damn thing. Okay, where are we now? Oh, 15.3. Where the heck are we? Anyways, let's hit ETM and see what happens here. Oh. Just a bunch of white noise in the ETM scan. May have to end up manually programming this thing. Let's go to FM mode. I feel like I'm going to break it if I don't hold it with two hands. God, it's so small. It keeps bouncing around. Push and hold the ETM. Let's see what it gets.
.edu.
From November radio.
Keep on top of issues.
Fat country. It's for Plex out of Burlington. ZRT. WJJR.
WCAN HD 93.3.
Not bad.
CBS News Brief.
WPIX out of Albany, New York. Miss 106.1 out of New Hampshire, though.
Now, coming up, the
Okay,
National
not
Archive
bad,
is a
folks.
huge tour.
Okay, we're in the HF or shortwave band, so let's see what happens here. Start at the bottom. Focus, camera, focus. Let's go. One in memory. I don't know what the hell that means. We still at 1 in memory or 75 in memory? 60, whatever the heck that is. Oh, 60 meter band, okay. I have no idea how long this takes. I'm sorry if it's boring. You're going to have to go through the whole process too if you have this radio or decide to get one. Radio weighs hardly anything. I think some of my ham radio 2-meter transceivers weigh more than this thing does. It's like 12:55 in the afternoon, but you know, some days I see the propagation on shortwave AM open in the morning, and other times I see it in the evening. So should probably try this a couple different days. And propagation today, listen to my R20 earlier, isn't all that great. So this antenna on this thing is only about 18 inches tall, if that. So I think the display is big enough. My parents with their reading glasses should hopefully be able to read it, the display, and hopefully smart enough to figure this simple little radio out. I don't remember if this stops up at 25 or 27 megahertz or where it ends. It's been 3 minutes, 27 seconds. Battery symbol is not quite accurate. That's a fully charged nickel metal hydride rechargeables in there. Maybe I should add it on the little whip extension. Help pull stuff in. Anyways, we'll see what we got. Worst case scenario, I'll just program it manually. Well, we went by Voice of America. See in the bottom left-hand corner it says 550 memories. The presets. I guess that preset is a memory. I guess we're done. Let's see what we got. We got 11:45, 13:845. That was busy early on my R20. How come I can't rotate the dial? Is that the only thing it picked up? Oops, sorry, get my hands in front of the camera. Apparently that's the only thing I picked up. Rotate the memory dial up, doesn't do anything, and going down doesn't do anything. Oh, son of a beach. Standing upright, swimming on very well, so that's much better. But I guess I'm going to have to manually program some stuff into it, so let me show you. I'm going to show you me programming everything into it as a gift, but show you one or two, and then we'll part way with the video from there. I'm not sure who 13850 is. We were listening to 13845. Play different stations, so it says I should push memory. Push the memory button.
For the first time, you know,
wait a minute, is that the memory?
The presidential campaign, the Trump campaign, is pushing Republicans to vote early. And
that's the FM button. Guess I gotta read the manual. Stupid move on my part. Emma's way down here. Wow. Of course, the thing's so light it moves around. Program 1. Okay, this is going to get short-tempered. I'm going to be short-tempered with it. Need more than 1 second to turn this thing around. I can't do it fast enough without this thing shutting off, but you're going to push and hold the memory. Rotate the dial. It's going to show P, and then the numbers. Then just push and hold the M again for memory write. And that's going to advance it or write it into the memories, and every time you got to rotate the dial. So you got 550 memory channels available. I can see this is going to be a long, drawn-out process. So if we go to memory, leave it alone, it'll go off in a second. Okay, so I'm right there in memory channel 1. 3 is 13851. I don't know why it changed 851. Yeah. Needs some weight to it. This thing moves around. Put some Velcro on it. Hold it down, hold it in place. Anyways, let me get some more programs in and we'll be back. Okay, I've been manually programming these by hand. Now I guess I gotta go back into memory mode. So to go into memory mode, put a whole bunch of them in memory. Last one right there, number, I don't know what the memory number was. Anyways, what a pain in the arse. Once you go to memory, hit the VF, that's VFO. Change the dial to what do you want. Push memory, it's going to blink with a new number. Push and hold it, and then go back to VF, enter the new frequency. You just keep repeating the process and put in what you want. So, anyways, hope this helps. More frequencies into it. We're up to 13845. Actually, I'm programming in 15180, the Romanian T, but just going back through. This one's actually coming in quite well. Not a bad sounding radio. Good heaven, this is me and my ex-girlfriend Heidi Pelham's song. And I'm back when I was just a young kid. So anyways, same process for programming your AM and FM frequencies. Just going through. And this thing has a remarkably sensitive receiver. I can't believe this, man. Picking up radio stations I don't even pick up in my Jeep. Look at the back of the radio. Shows us some simple little tuning bands and whatnot there. So Tecsun 380. Focus, hocus pocus. There we go. Long wave 150 to 513 kilohertz. Not sure what you're going to pick up down there, but short wave 2300 to 21950. I got the memories full right around 17760, something like that. Anyways, yep, not a bad little radio. Other than its programming quirks, it's got a good receiver. This thing's picking up things that other radios I have just don't pick up around here. So let's say I'm really impressed. Anyways, I'll leave the link in the description below. Hope you like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification for more videos. 7-3, my friends. God bless.